Hi, I'm Anna and I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Looker Studio to Mapify. Right now, we're looking at our Barcelona demo with electric vehicle charging stations and their current status. In this video, we will bring this data over to a dashboard or integrate it into a report. First, we need to create an API key. Go to Settings, then the API Keys tab, and click to create a new one. Name it API Key for Looker Studio. Make sure to enable the read claim for datasets and save it. Once saved, a key is generated and can be easily copied. Next, head over to Google Looker Studio and create a blank report. We already have a partner connector available, so search for Mapify and add the connector. You will need to authorize it with your Google account. After the authentication, it will ask for the API key we just created, so paste it in. Now, it's time to choose the dataset you want. In this case, Barcelona electric charging stations, and click Add to Report. Google Looker Studio will try to preview some data, however, we'll need to customize it a little bit further. The data source will show up as Mapify by default. It's a good idea to rename it to avoid confusion if you add more datasets. So, go to Resource, Manage Added Data Sources, select Edit and change the name to something like Barcelona Charging Stations. In this case, Looker Studio defaulted to showing the IDs and sum of values, which isn't very helpful. For the sake of this example, let's change the dimension to Vehicle Type Description and the metric to Count ID to count the number of IDs per type of vehicle. Looker Studio doesn't stop at tables. It offers multiple visualizations like scorecard, bar charts, and pie charts. For our example, let's go with a pie chart to analyze the status of these chargers. Naturally, you can also add other datasets from Mapify or other data available in Google Looker Studio. To wrap up, I will show you an example of a polished report after some customization. And here it is! Pretty neat, right?